Welcome to Dream Homes Tour, Luxury Design, the channel where exclusive luxury home tour meet stunning architectural design. Today, we invite you to step inside a luxury mansion in Surrey, United Kingdom, starting with a breathtaking entrance that sets the tone for elegance. Don't forget to subscribe for more luxury house tour, dream mansions, and design inspiration. Every corner has been designed to inspire awe. The play of natural light through expansive glass walls, the harmony of textures, and the balance between open spaces and intimate corners create an atmosphere that feels both grand and welcoming. It's a space where design meets lifestyle, where art meets comfort. Step inside to discover over 12,000 square feet of meticulously crafted interiors. Soaring ceilings, imported marble floors, custom lighting, and open concept living. The grandeur continues. Every room is a statement from the perfectly landscaped driveway designed to the mansion's architectural detail and interior. Every element has been designed to embody both tradition and modern luxury. This is more than a house tour. It's a journey through refined living. This home is more than just beautiful. It's smart and functional. We're talking about a private cinema room, indoor and outdoor pools, a wellness spa, a fully equipped gym, and even a rooftop terrace with panoramic city views. The kitchen, a chef's dream complete with smart appliances, marble counters, and a hidden pantry. It also features en-suite bedrooms with walk-in closets and luxury bathrooms that rival five-star hotels. Owning a property like this isn't just about having a home. It's about experiencing a lifestyle, royal lifestyle. From exclusive golf clubs to fine dining and top-tier security, this location offers everything high-end living demands. Whether you're investing or relocating, this property design is a symbol of success, comfort, and architectural brilliance. This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle statement. From luxury, entertaining to peaceful retreat, this estate offers it all. Valued at $25 million, this property sits at the intersection of art, architecture, and elite living. If you dream of modern luxury, architectural brilliance, and breathtaking design, this home delivers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more high-end real estate tour from around the world. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a glimpse of elite living. Dream Homes Design. Real homes, real luxury, real inspiration.